Well, good afternoon. This is Pastor Sean. I'm standing here at the pulpit with a demonstration, hopefully, that you will find helpful. Some of you have been having trouble with the Facebook stream, and sometimes it has trouble. I wanted to show you how to download and use our church app. Some of you would prefer to use this. Of course, you can go to our website as well to see our live stream, and that's going to be at lwbcfruta.org/live. And that's another way of watching, but sometimes it's convenient to have the app right here on the phone, and so I'm going to show you how to find and download and install that app, and then also how to utilize it. So I'm using an Android device, but it's going to be fairly similar for an Apple device. You simply go to the Play Store or to the Apple Store if you're using that, but we have the Play Store there. And you just want to find, it's going to be called the Church One app, the Church One app. And so Church One, and actually that's going to be Church One, one word, Church One, and you see the suggestion that popped up there, maybe you can see, is Church One by Sermon Audio. And so I'm going to click that one, and it's going to look like a little blue church here. Sometimes the first couple of results are actually going to be sponsored results, but here you can see this third one is the Church One by Sermon Audio app. And so we're going to click on that one right there. And you can see at the top there it says Church One by Sermon Audio. And you can click install. So I'm going to be installing that. Hopefully it won't take too terribly long while I'm streaming out to also download this. But we'll give it just a moment here. And again, if you're on an Apple device, it's probably going to be the Apple Store, and a very similar process to that. Whether you prefer the Android or the Apple, they're probably both pretty evil companies, but that's all right. We definitely can plunder the Egyptians and get something good out of the apps and things that we have here. And of course, I'm getting all kinds of pop-ups and everything else. You'll have to forgive that. I should probably have muted all of that. Um, but this is a good thing, a good app while that's installing. Good app to add to your home page. Maybe you can put it beside all your Bible apps. Maybe that'll be another video. I can show you some good Bible apps if you don't know of any. But you should be in your Bible. You should be doing some good daily reading. And I am recording this. I noticed that there was a disconnection there. Sometimes it's just our own internet. That's the problem. But I was able to download and install this. And so actually it's still installing there. And now that it's installed, you can see that it's ready to open. And so a little church comes up. And now we are ready to get to this app. Now, I obviously, coming from a different church, had a different church installed on here, and I don't know why it restored that. I thought I cleared the data. So if you do happen to have a different church installed on this app already, you can hit reset church one. Most of you probably wouldn't have that happen. Most of you, after you install it and open it, will get this screen right here. And I know the image is slightly blurry there, but it says before you can listen to sermons, you need to select a broadcaster and set it as your church home. And so it's called the Church One app, and I've been saying it's our app. Yes, it is our app. It's provided, though, by Sermon Audio. And what we're going to do is install or set, I should say, our church to this installed app. And so we click Get Started here. Now, it's given a pop-up here to ask if we want to allow it to access our information. and that's location information to see if it can search in our area. Now, if I did choose to allow that while using the app, you'll notice that three results come up, and these are three results. The first one's in Fruita, and that's us. Haha. The second two are in Grand Junction, and so that's where it's giving you location-based suggestions. Now, maybe you're not in the location. Well, you can just hit the search right here. The search is right at the top there, and it's probably hard to see with the light reflecting, but you can just start typing in Living Water Baptist Church, and it's right there at the top, Living Water Baptist Church, Sean Marksbury. Um, and there we go. There's our app. And you can select broadcaster. You do have to hit select broadcaster. And now you'll notice that the app is set, and oh, look at that. We're live because I am sending out a live broadcast at the moment. And you can see that we have the choice to play the audio or to play the video. Within the app also, we have obviously our information there. If you need to call us, at the moment, our phone lines are down, but CenturyLink's supposed to come out and fix that for us. But you can call us, you can visit our website. There's a map there. Oops, I didn't actually mean to click that, but you see it opened up Google Maps for us, and hey, there we are. Actually, that's not us at all. So we'll have to take a look at that and see what's going on with that. But there we go. And about us, some service times, some sermons, recent sermons you can see as I scroll down. If you want to go straight to sermons, though, without having to scroll through all of that, here are recent sermons right here that I've preached. You can also separate out these sermons by series. And so on Sunday nights, I'm going through Ephesians. That's the top result there. Sunday mornings, I'm going through John. That's the second result. Of course, I recently did a Christmas one. Wednesday nights, social justice and the gospel. I just finished that up. But we are back in Psalms now. So let's say that you're just interested in our Psalm studies. You could click on that right there and look at that. It's all only the Psalm studies. So that's very convenient right there. And we can even do further filtering there if we wanted to. I can just hit back, let's say I didn't want the Psalm studies. I wanted these Sunday morning studies. There's John, and there are all these sermons that I've preached on John right there. If I want to go back, I've been missing Sunday nights perhaps. Well, there are the Sunday night sermons, and as you can see, I've only done three in this particular series so far. Oops. And so those are some options for you. And hopefully you will find that to be good, and it's very, very convenient to have that come up there and say that we are live, and there will be a notification that pops up on your phone. If you're on our Wi-Fi, though, please don't click on live because we have very, very limited bandwidth that CenturyLink gives to us. And they said they can't really give us any more. But there we go. Hopefully you'll find that as a help to you. God bless you guys. You take care, and I'll see you Sunday, Lord willing.